Sophie, and today I'm going to be showing you the view of all the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts sets. They come with lots of minifigures and great builds. First I'm going to be showing you the minifigures, and then I'm going to be showing you the build. This part of the castle has lots of windows and it has a giant roof. Then here it has doors that open to reveal the cafeteria. Then this has a giant tower, and this has a wall with another small tower and the Fort Anglia coming out of here. This has a bridge and there's a road under it. Now we have another wall and another wall, and now a medium tower with designs of bricks. Now we have the giant clock tower, and the clock actually moves. There's also a door and windows on every side of the wall. This cafeteria has a dining table where the teachers sit and 2 dining tables where the students sit. This tower has a room where there was a mirror. Next there was a spells room where Professor Flitwick was. Then there was an empty room and a place where there were stairs. Next there was a potions class with a desk that had a candle and a pot on it. After that, there is another potions class with jars standing on the sides. This was where the Gryffindor students slept, and here Professor Dumbledore did his secret stuff. Here is a safe that has a frog in it for some reason, and here there's a bridge with lanterns, and here is another potions class that was led by Professor Severus. Here there's a place from the 3rd movie. It was located in the Yule Ball where everybody danced. Here there's a bath with cranes that are gold, and here's a picture of a mermaid. On top is Dumbledore's office, and this is the Sword of Gryffindor. He has shelves filled with books and pictures. Here is the biggest tower. This is the clock tower, and this has a lever that rotates the clock on the really front. This is the nurse's office. It has 2 beds for patients. Here we have the class of Defense from Dark Arts. It has a desk, a chair, and a place for ancient stuff you can put in. There's also a chalkboard. Later on you can see a chest with no treasures in it and a fountain. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.